Imagine yourself in a lively Irish pub, the air filled with foot-tapping music, and you hear the distinctive bright, rhythmic pluck of a banjo leading the tune. It is a captivating sound that instantly transports you. When it comes to playing Irish tenor music, the short answer is no, you cannot use just any banjo. While many banjos exist, the specific type and its setup are crucial for achieving that authentic Irish sound and playability. The primary reason lies in the instrument's construction, specifically the number of strings and the scale length. Most people are familiar with the 5-string banjo, which is commonly used in American bluegrass and folk music. This 5-string banjo typically has a longer neck and a drone string, which is perfect for its style but makes it less ideal for the fast, melodic fiddle tunes characteristic of Irish traditional music. The instrument of choice for Irish music is almost exclusively the 1st-string tenor banjo, which has a shorter neck and is tuned differently. To play Irish tenor music, you will want a 1st-string tenor banjo. These banjos are typically tuned in fifths, exactly like a fiddle or a mandolin, most commonly to G-D-A-E, from lowest to highest string. This specific tuning, along with the shorter scale length, allows musicians to play the intricate melodies and ornaments that are the hallmark of Irish traditional music with ease and speed. Without this setup, adapting other banjos becomes a significant challenge. Beyond the string count and tuning, the overall setup of the tenor banjo plays a significant role in its sound. Look for an instrument with a good quality head, often frosted or clear, and a bridge that allows for clear, bright projection. Many Irish traditional players also prefer a heavier gauge of strings to get that distinctive driving tone. Some professional players even customize their banjo with a resonator back to enhance volume and sustain, although open back banjos are also popular for a more mellow sound. Ultimately, choosing the right tenor banjo ensures you can comfortably and authentically participate in the vibrant world of Irish traditional music. It lets you produce the true sound, play the tunes with the right technique, and fully immerse yourself in a rich musical heritage.